Hey y'all, I'm Kinky. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be installing this half wig from ISee Hair. It's their Kinky curly half wig in 18 inches and I have it in 180% density. It has clips, an elastic band, and a drawstring, so it definitely will be nice and secure on your head, and I love this kinky curly texture. So to complement the half wig, I decided to do a cute little style with the front of my hair. So right now I'm just detangling my hair and getting it ready. And the style that I'm going to be doing is butterfly braids, and they're going to be going across the front of my head. So I'm pretty much just doing a middle part, and then I'm going to split my hair into two sections. And the back is where I'm going to be installing the half wig, so I just went ahead and detangled that half of my hair, and I'm going to be braiding this half down. And here's how the back turned out. Don't mind that one little section, y'all. I don't know what happened, but we are nice and braided down. So now it's time to go ahead and move on to the two sections in the front. And for these sections, I'm just doing my normal little moisture routine for my hair. I'm spraying it with some water. I put in some moisturizer, and I use some gel to slick my hair down. And for the butterfly braids, I really wanted them to have some length, so I'm using some braiding hair, and I'm just going to be braiding that into my ponytails. After I got done with the braids, I went ahead and installed the half wig, and as you can see, I literally just went ahead and clipped it on to the back half of my hair. These clips definitely come in handy. They made sure that the wig was nice and secure. It also has an elastic band and a drawstring, so like I said, this wig is not going anywhere. It felt comfortable. It didn't feel like it was tugging on my hair or it was too tight. After I got the hair installed, I went ahead and gave it a little trim. Now I'm just going in with some water, some moisturizer, and some foaming mousse to really define the curls and just make everything pop. And this hair is so pretty. I love ISee Hair's kinky curly texture. It just looks so pretty. The quality of the hair is always nice, and like I said, this is 180% density, so it's nice and full, and it's a look. It's really a look. After I finish defining the curls and making them look nice and juicy, I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the butterfly braid so we can finish it off. And pretty much I'm just taking my hands and just kind of fluffing the braids out. This is what's really gonna give it like that messy butterfly look. So I'm just going up and down the braids and just pulling some pieces out, fluffing it up and making it bigger. After I got done fluffing it out, I pretty much just took each braid and wrapped it around the other, and you can kind of play with this and just get it to look how you want. I kind of played around with it for a little while and then I just bobby pinned it in place once I kind of liked how it was looking. Alright y'all, and here is the finished look. I am so in love with how this style turned out. It's so cute. It's perfect for the spring and summer months, and I'm so happy that I decided to add this butterfly braid effect in the front because I just think that it takes this style to the next level, and I've kind of been seeing this style trending, so I'm glad that I was able to try it out. And this half wig from ISee Hair is everything. And again, this is a kinky curly half wig from ISee Hair in 18 inches, and it's 180% density. I'll have all of the information for this hair down in my description box, so definitely check that out. I'm so in love with this hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.